Hi guys, welcome to today's video. You guys know from the title already, this is my Boxycharm unboxing. It's a very wide box this month. If I look a little not as put together as usual, I literally just got home from work on Friday, which is today. I just got home from work and I noticed that my Boxycharm had been delivered and I wanted to sit down and open this. So yeah, it's evening. It is dark outside and it is just coming up on 5 o'clock. So I wanted to sit down and film this. This is basically just what I look like when I get home from work after, you know, having my makeup on for 9.5 hours or so. Yeah, so Boxycharm. So I was a little confused. I signed up for Boxycharm Premium and I thought that's a slip. Boxycharm Premium was something that was going to replace my Boxycharm. So I was a little confused when I got charged twice this month, once for Boxycharm and once for Boxycharm Premium. I have come to realize that they are two separate boxes and yeah, my subscriptions end up costing me a lot this month. But I thought this would be an interesting month to compare Boxycharm, Boxycharm Premium. I mean, honestly, between Boxycharm Premium and Ipsy, those are more products than I need in a month, but I'll be curious to see what the difference is between the boxes. Now, when it gets to a month where I get Boxycharm Premium and Boxy Luxe, that's gonna be like crazy expensive between the two. Let me just tell you how much. Well, no, this is regular Boxycharm. So there was a slight price increase in this. In Canadian dollars, it ended up being, I think, just over $40 Canadian for this box. Okay, I've been talking a lot already. Let me open it. I feel like I may have been a little spoiled, but I'm not sure because I went into an online group that talked about beauty subscription boxes because I was trying to understand what was going on with the two charges. And I think I might have seen a couple people commenting on what they got in their Boxycharm, but I don't really know. So we'll see. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that's new that it has red on the inside. Yeah. That is new. And it's also kind of a different box. Usually it's kind of glossy on the top and this time it's just sort of cardboard. Oh, I can sort of see stuff already. So let me take this out. So this is called Boxycharm Stellar. I'm not going to look anymore because it's going to tell me about the products. But I saw this little box. So let's see what this is. Okay, this is from Dose of Colors and it's a liquid matte lipstick. It looks like it's called Date Night. So I think it's going to be a dark color. I still meant to do, let me know, you guys. I was planning on doing a review of the Dose of Colors palette that I got last month and posting it next week. I don't know if you guys are still interested in that anymore. Let me know. Because I have been using it and playing around with it. Oh, that is such a nice bottle. It's like a frosted bottle with sort of the bullet down there. Now, to be honest, liquid matte lipsticks in dark shades are often not my favorite because the wear really starts to show, but it could be an interesting one to do a wear test with. Yeah, and it just sort of smells like a lipstick. Okay, what is this? There's something raised here. Pretty Vulgar Lightweight Concealer. And they're little blister packs. I hope that doesn't count as like one of our items because Boxycharm is usually full-size items. I mean, I'd be interested to try it. I wonder if the consistency is going to be like very much the same between a blister pack and the product. I just feel like it would start to dry out a little faster in a blister pack. But I'm happy to try it. And then the other shades can be used for contouring as well. Okay, I did see somebody mentioning these online. So these are self-warming eye masks. Warms up in 30 seconds, starry eyes. I did hear, I think, some people saying that these were a little intense on their eyes, so I'll just warn you that I have heard that about it. They're by Pop Mask. Interesting. Oh, and there's loops, so it almost, yeah, it's like a nighttime mask, but an eye mask. Okay, I mean, I'm more than happy to try them. I'm a little concerned that I heard people saying they were a little intense, like too intense for them, but that's a really interesting concept. Okay, there's the foam. There's a palette in here. Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I think we had got a Dominique, or at least I received a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss previously. So Celestial Thunder, what do we think the colors are gonna be? Like blues, purples, and reds? Ooh. Well, that is very pretty. So it looks like there's 3 sort of metallic shades there. A metallic sort of gray. Ooh. A metallic sort of bronzy red. Metallic black. Not metallic, but it has some shimmer in it. And then these shades are all matte shades. That teal is really pretty and very soft and pigmented. Ooh, very nice. Okay, so I am more than happy to play around with that. Very cool. Okay, there's 2 items left. I was going to be a little concerned if that blister pack thing was counted as an item. Okay, we have something here from Juice Beauty. It's a Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. That looks like a big box for an eye treatment. I've tried a lip gloss from Juice Beauty before, and for the longest time, it was my absolute favorite lip gloss. I only stopped using it because I had it for so long that I thought I should probably stop using it. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this is the size of it. Okay, 15 milliliters in here, so it's like half a fluid ounce. Interesting. I'm actually, ooh, and it's got like an interesting applicator. I've actually been testing a half face test of a eye cream for a little while now. Probably in the next week or 2, I'll finish up with that and be able to do the video, and then I could try this. Okay, there's one more item in here. This is heavy. Okay, it's Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Interesting. 24 karat gold infused hydrate, prime, and set setting spray. I'm not 100% sure. I feel like I've heard people, is it this that people said was super fragrance? Maybe not. Maybe I'm thinking of Huda Beauty. I don't know why I would get those confused. Okay, so, I mean, they're really going for it with this container. You know, it's very heavy actual glass with like, you know, gold flecks floating around in there, which give me a little bit of a Goldschlager kind of vibe, but that would be interesting to test. So, okay, I really feel like Boxycharm did a great job with their products this month. I mean, I bet this is pricey. I bet the eye serum is. The Dose of Colors lipstick should be really fun to play around with. There's the Dominique Cosmetics palette. These ones I'm maybe not as jazzed about, but I really like this box better than last month's box, and it makes me curious if they are maybe making sure there's good products in regular Boxycharm so people don't feel like they're cheaping out on it now that they have Boxycharm Premium. So let's take a quick look at the prices of these items. Okay, so the theme of this month's box was stellar. Okay. The Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. The retail price is $35. That's probably what I would expect for that. So they say it's an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment is $50 US. It's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juices that work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. The Dose of Colors liquid lipstick is $18 US, but what I would expect. It's a velvety high fashion matte. The Pop Band Starry Eyes mask set of 2, it's $10, so $5 per mask. These self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. heat would aid in depuffing. I feel like cold helps with depuffing, but that's interesting. You may find that they can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears, sit back and relax. So I'm wondering if it's not a mask as in infused with anything, it just kind of warms itself on your face. And then the Farsali Rose Gold 24K Skin Mist is $39 US. So yeah, there are some great products in here. I'll also mention that there are 2 coupons here, one for Dragoon Beauty by Nikita Dragoon. Get the full fantasy with 15% off your next purchase over $80. So if you want to, actually here, I'm gonna show this to the screen, and if you're interested in these, you can sort of like pause the video and get the information. Okay, so I am excited about these products. There is a lot to test and a lot to play around with, and I'm looking forward to doing it. Let me know what products you got this month. Let me know what products you are interested in me doing reviews of, or which ones you're most excited to get. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't to my channel already. Sorry, it is so... Ooh, that makes me too bright. Sorry about it being dark in these videos when I'm filming at night, but I just really wanted to open this and kick my weekend off with like a present to myself. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.